Okay, hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Boxster that we worked on the whole week last week and this week. We just finished cleaning up the extra engine. As you can see, it's nice and clean. And gearbox. We just finished replacing this rod here. There's a push rod for selecting gears, because your selector cable goes to here and you select gear for here. That's your multi-function switch. This one here, they usually play up, but this one's still fine. So we're going to put this gearbox and engine back into the actual car. Yeah, and then after that, then we can start building up and then build everything back up, and we're going to do a gearbox service. Alright, and for now I'm going to show you the final thing we do is do a smoke machine test for the actual, make sure the intake's not leaking. New gaskets here. Alright, make sure everything's fine before we put it back together. Alright, start that. We're going to run smoke through the intake to make sure there's no leaks in the intake manifold, because that was removed to clean and put back with new green gaskets. 6 of those, 3 per side. So you can see there, pump it up. Alright, there's no leak coming from the intake. As you can see, the only leaks coming from there because it's not sealed properly, because it's going in. There's always a gap here. So looks good, it's not leaking. So now we're gonna put it back in there, put the engine back in to the car, and the rest will finish off tomorrow. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.